I kind of want to build that chair that came in so that we can sit properly. I've been using this super old chair, but my back's, like, I've noticed that my posture is always so bad. Here's the thing about this chair that I'm using, right? Like, this part where I'm sitting is, like, so long. Like, here where I'm sitting right now, the backrest should be here, but it's all the way back there. And if I want to sit back, I gotta do this. Or I gotta literally come all the way back, my feet come off the ground, and then I can backrest. But then at the same time, like, I feel like I'm gonna fall back because it's so far back, it feels like the front wheels are literally coming off the ground. And it's also like wasted all to shit. This was just the Chinese one that I bought online, you know? I can't open it for shit. Did I cut it across the top? Or did I forget to do that? Oh, I had forgotten to do that. Oh shit, why is it so heavy? Is it made out of fucking lead? God damn, I thought this was just a small chair. What is this, man? Bunch of packaging. Okay. I see some stuff. Oh. Okay. Here's the backrest, I think. It's like the back of a car chair, isn't it? Jesus Christ, this is heavy. Like, if I compare this to the weight of my old chair, this is probably the weight of my entire chair. Oh, no, I take that back. It's nowhere near it. Okay, that's going to the side. What am I looking at here? Is this the bottom? Oh, fuck. These things are actually made out of metal. I thought they were all plastic. This is definitely a plastic. Because it's really warm. The window open doesn't help all that much. Okay. So, put this here. That's heavy. Now, what the fuck is this? You guys know what this is? It's like a pillow. Alright, let's take it out. Maybe the pillow helps with posture. It's like 30 Celsius here. Oh, really? Is this a neck pillow for when you're traveling? What the fuck is this? There's like a little rubber, what's it called? Elastic thing in back here. It feels silky smooth, huh? Okay, here we've got a little contraption thing that goes at the bottom. Let's open this up. Where are you again, Exile? I think it's like in the 20s where I am. It always gets hotter in my room because I've got like no insulation in my room. We're in Queensland. Oh shit, yeah. It would be hot there. God dang it. Come on, bro. Okay. Like, what is occurring? Yeah, this is exactly what I thought it was. Is there going to be instructions anywhere? Oh shit, that's going to fall. Especially with me knocking on it. Alright, so far I've got parts spread out everywhere, I think this is a good strategy. Now what is this? Is this another pillow? This looks a little bit more than like the other one. There's no way this is another pillow, is it? It might be... There's no elasticy thing to attach it anywhere, so maybe just lace on the back. I'll keep the two pillows together. Back here. Okay, I've got the pillows back there. I've got this pieces here. I can't remember where I put the bit that goes on the bottom. That's for your feet, I think. A footrest. Oh, really? The fuck? I don't need no footrest. Oh, okay, here. This is what I thought we would start with. Maybe we should have opened it from the other side. I think it's a combination. Because that feels like plastic, but then here at the top, it's like a metal. So it's like they've combined like a metal core with plastic around the sides. I'm hoping load bearing would be with the metal and then the plastic just for decoration, but okay, here's a box of bits. There's nothing there. Here's another box of bits. Wrench and a whole bunch of screws. As you can see, we've got this. This is really heavy. I think this is the rod for the chair. And all the wheels. So let's start with the wheels. We're going to start with the bottom and then go up. Alright. I'm hoping this is just an easy click in. Yep. Okay. Come on, bitch. No. They're not going to be as easy. Come on. Were your minions even attacking him? They were following... Yeah. I was... do you know what I also realized after, on like when I died on the last door, was that I wasn't using the aiming thing enough. I should have used that more. I say enough. I don't think I used it at all. I was just too panicky. That one went on like butter. Okay, we got the wheels on the thingy. Now we have remove cap before assembly. Oh, there's a plastic cap. And then I'm guessing this goes on here? No way. Doesn't feel right. Maybe here? Huh. Maybe it does go like this. It doesn't seem right because it goes all the way through. Should it be sticking out the bottom? got no backrest. Woo! Hey boys, what's going on? Wait, is that? Oh yeah. Welcome back, boys. Welcome back to the stream. Today we're doing a PoE. We're going to be dying to Cyrus. And is this height? I think this height's a little bit different. But yeah, I'm totally at the back of it, and my feet are already on the floor, so I feel like I can keep a good posture like this. And you guys won't see the hunchback of Notre Dame. Okay, I almost feel like giving up already, but we've just got the backrest to do, and then we're done. So let's just do it. We're done, boys. There she is in all her glory. Let me pack some stuff up, and I'm going to continue playing. Alright, guys. Let's, I'm not comfortable. I am not comfortable. How do people fucking play like this? Like, what is this? I just wanna chill and go back. I just wanna, you know how like when you're sitting down normally, you can just raise a leg and just like have a leg up and just chill. I can't do that on this one anymore. I might just keep both chairs. I don't have the room though. Okay. What do I gotta do?